Hi everybody, welcome to this new episode for the Gen AI Nerd channel. And in this video, I want to show you how you can leverage generative AI for generating and validating hypotheses. Now, I will first briefly explain what that exactly means. So why do we need hypotheses in a lean startup approach? And then I will show the GPT that I developed in the OpenAI platform to actually help you in generating hypotheses. So as you all know, a very important step in the lean startup approach is to develop a business model canvas that systematically describes kind of the core components of your business model. And I actually have a separate video in which I've shown an application that can help you in building a first draft of your business model canvas leveraging generative AI. But so now let's assume that you have developed your business model canvas, you have described your customer segment, your revenue streams, your value proposition. In the end, you now have some nice ideas and you might have thought a lot about it, but in the end, these are just ideas. Now we actually need to confront them with reality as quickly as possible. And to do so, we want to kind of translate our business model canvas into a number of essential assumptions, which we call hypotheses. And as this slide of Strategizer nicely shows, you can actually make a distinction between desirability hypotheses, viability hypotheses, and feasibility hypotheses. And so they reflect kind of the core assumptions behind your business model that you want to test as quickly as possible. So it's not about nitty-gritty features like should my website be blue or orange? No, it's really about what are the fundamental assumptions behind your business model. And that's what we want to test as quickly as possible. And therefore we need hypotheses. And so let me show you an application that you can use to easily start generating hypotheses for your specific business model canvas model. Yes, so here we see the GPT that I have generated called the Startup Hypothesis Validation Tool. And so this GPT can help you in formulating hypotheses. So how does it work? You can easily enable it by just pressing start. So let me do that here. And now you will see it will ask me to give a specific value proposition. And I already prepared now a value proposition. So I will copy paste it into this application. So here I use a value proposition where we have developed a startup to empower families to take control of their energy costs. So I've given kind of a description of the value proposition. And now I can simply press enter. And now you will see that this application will generate actually a table with a number of hypotheses that could be important to test. It indicates which type of hypothesis. So the first one is a desirability hypothesis. It will also kind of suggest which validation method we could use to test this hypothesis and some potential validation thresholds. And of course, this will not be the perfect set of hypotheses, but it gives you a very nice start. And my own experience is that students and people that are not that familiar with entrepreneurship often struggle formulating first hypotheses, that they already kind of try to formulate very incremental hypotheses. But actually, what we actually want is to formulate fundamental hypotheses, and this GPT can actually be helpful in that respect. So I hope this tool can be helpful for your business model development activities. Please check out my channel for other applications for the whole lean startup trajectory. And please don't forget to subscribe and like if you learned something valuable from these videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.